Today I want to review these chrome paints from SuperCheap Auto. First up, this is the Chemtech Liquid Chrome. It sprays heavy and takes a while to dry. It's a little milky but still pretty reflective. Next is the Kromebrite Liquid Chrome. I'm impressed. The spray is a fine mist and covers well. The chrome effect is very good, and it dries fast. This is real chrome to compare to. The Kromebrite has a comfort spray tip with a good spray pattern. The Chemtech just has a standard tip. Here are the two chromes side by side with a real chrome to compare. The Chemtech doesn't apply very smooth, it's a bit hazy and doesn't dry quickly. Kromebrite has the best reflectivity, dries fast and is much more durable. It's not perfect but a really good chrome effect. Just for comparison, this is real chrome. These SuperCheap Auto chrome paints are both around $30 each. I have tried several brands of chrome paint, but the clear winner is this Kromebrite.